Hi, welcome to Play Along. We've been working on how to calculate, how to look ahead. Here we have an example. This problem by Mr. A. Schaefer. White to play and win. It's 3 versus 3. You will be white. Your first move, go 4 to 8, attacking the check on 11, and red goes 11 to 15, 8 to 11, pressing the red check on 15. Now red has a choice here. He can go 15 to 19 or 15 to 18. Let's show you. If he goes 15 to 19, you would go 11 to 15, 19 to 24, 15 to 18, 22 to 26, 18 to 22, 26 to 30. Red would get a king. But now you would come in here and get a king, and red is going to self-destruct. Once he starts moving this, he can't get past the king. So now we're going to recalculate. When using a GPS, and we go off the path that the GPS has chosen, it says recalculating. It's also the same with checkers. We need to calculate that we are on the right path. So I'll set up the checkers before we made that 15 to 19 move. Okay. Red plays 15 to 18. He's on the right path now. And we go 11 to 15. Understand the positions. Here we see that red is pinned. He cannot move the check on 22 because he loses 2 checkers, and he cannot go 18 to 23 because you would go 15 to 18, which is a fork. You'd win one of the 2 checkers. So red has to try to get out of the pin to get some kings, and white has to. His best plan is to try to go behind the checkers, the weak checkers, especially you can get to 17. The check on 22 is weak because of losing 2. You could lose 2 checkers. So red goes 5 to 9, and now we go 32 to 27. We further bind red's checkers. Red goes 9 to 13. Our plan is to go in to get a king, and red plan to do the same. 11 to 7, 21 to 25, we get a king, first king, and red gets a king. Here we come out 2 to 6, we're on the right path. Red goes 30 to 26, we go 6 to 9. Now red has a choice. He can go 26 to 23 or 26 to 31. Again, we're going to show you the choice. Say, for example, red goes 26 to 23. We would go 9 to 13, like this. And when red jumps, we let him jump. When red jumps 23 to 32, we go 13 to 17, and we're going to win both of these checkers. So we're going to recalculate. The 26 to 23 doesn't work. Red goes 26 to 31. Excuse me, let me adjust this one more side. Okay. We start in a position, and red goes 26 to 31. And you go the same move as before, 9 to 13. You allow him to jump. Red jumps 31 to 24. Here you go 13 to 17. But red has a defense now. He's going to make a move, desperado move. It's also an absolute jump. Red goes 24 to 19. You can't go 17 to 26 because red would go 19 to 10 and win because he'd be up a checker. So you have to jump 15 to 24. Now you're not pinning these checkers, and the check on 22 goes 22 to 26. This position goes into the American position, and we're going to show you how to win this. White goes 17 to 14. Red cannot go 18 to 23 because you would go 14-18 and you win the check on 23. So red has to go 18 to 22. You don't want to go 14-18 because red would go 26 to 30, get his king. When you jump, he jumps, and it'd be a draw. So in this position, you play 24 to 27. You also could play 24 to 29. Red cannot go here 26 to 31 because you'd go 27 to 23, and when he goes here, you would follow him. Here, you would follow him, and you're going to win a check in the game. So red goes 26 to 30. He gets his king. Here, you have your man on 14 is watching a man on 22. You want to go 27 to 23, and you're watching him here. Red cannot go 22 to 26 because you go 14 to 17. And then when he goes in here, you go 17 and 22, and you have these, the check is trapped. So red has to go 22 to 25. Now in the American position, you have to be careful. You have to always force him to just one move. So you want to go here, because then he could go here and then here. So you'd go 14 to 17. He's watching him. He's watching him. The only move red can make, only one move, is 25 to 29. And here, again, you want to just get him to make one move. So you go 21 to 17. His only move is 29 to 25. But he's not going to get out because you go 23 to 18. Can't move here because of the double. He has to move back. Then you move in 18 to 22. And all he could do is give up a man here, and you're going to win 2-1. Learning how to recalculate it, learning the positions, understanding the position will make you a better checker player. Thank you for watching this video.